Hi everyone, welcome back, and in this video we are going to learn about Asyncio. So first I'm going to import Asyncio module. Then I'm going to define one function, and without async first I will define this, where I'm going to print ABC with some sleep time in between. So print A, then I will use time.sleep. Then again I will print B, again some sleep time, and print C. So right now first we'll see like how we are writing a normal Python function, and then we'll convert it to make it compatible with async. Now this function is ready, and let me import time also. Now this is a normal Python function. Now in order to convert it to make it compatible with async, I have to give one prefix here, that is async. And this sleep time, I have to use async.sleep instead of time.sleep. And one more thing here, it will be await, so that when process is going for sleep, that means control it will send back to the calling function. Now this function is ready. Let me remove this time module. Now this function need to be called from some other man function or something. So let me create one async and man function, and from here again I will use await, and I will call this print ABC. And then in order to run this code, we have to use asyncio.run, and here we have to call this man function. Let's save this code and let's execute it. And here in the output you can see it's going in a sequential way, like first we print A, then B, then C. If I will print few more letters here, like print E and print G, these two letters. Now save this code and let's rerun this. So again this will go into sequential flow, A, B, C, then E and G. Now let's add one more function here. So along with ABC, I will print 1, 2, 3, or maybe 1, 2 only. So this new method, this new functions, I will print 1, then await, and some sleep time I will give here, maybe for 1 second, and then we'll print 2. So this function is ready now. Let's call this one in man function. So await, and here I will call this print 1, 2, 3. Let's save this one and let's execute this code. And now this will be very interesting, where you can see it's going in a sequence. First A, B, C, then 1, 2, then E and G. So though we are trying to create async code, but it's right now going into sequential flow. So let's see, like first it is going to first function, then printing A, then here there is a wait time. So it's again going back to the calling man function, but here it doesn't have any task or anything else. So it's saying like, yeah, you complete your task. So again it's going back to the print ABC and trying to complete all these print statement, like A, B, C, it will complete, then it will go to the next one, and then it will print 2, 3, then E and G. So that flow you can see here, A, B, C, then 1, 2, then E and G. So this is kind of like sequential. So thanks for watching.